I'm gonna do a quick little impromptu garden tour. We just got a ton of rain the last 2 days, so everything is a little bit thriving, a little bit pesty. So just wanted to go through it really quick and kind of show you what's growing on. All right, we will start in bed one. Really excited. These are my dragon tongue bush beans. They're thriving, and I've even got my first dragon tongue bean. Aren't they so pretty? Oh my God, I'm so excited. Ton of blooms on them, ton of little baby beans. Back here, oh, this little guy fell. Like I said, we got so much rain, and I'm kind of just doing this on a impromptu, so things are definitely not looking amazing. Those are cranberry beans, so these will be like more of a hot pink color. And then I did some purple bush beans here. My cilantro still bolted, and then I put this on here because the squirrels keep coming in. This is all corn that I'm trying this year, and they are digging everything out. So I've got about 9 corn plants in a little circle here, so I'm really hoping that they do well and they get pollination, but we shall see. There is my sugar baby watermelon that they ate. It had quite a bit of leaves on it, and they literally just ate it to a stem. So I've started another one. I'll probably wait till it gets a little bit bigger and put it in the ground. My longevity spinach is doing great. Yellow cherry tomatoes that are doing fantastic. My happy little fish. My beautiful girl. Let's get over, oh, the Everglades. So my tomatoes have taken a beating with all this rain. I still have a little bit of new growth on here, new fruit. But I mean, I really had to pick through the leaves. They're getting a lot of powdery mildew, and just a lot of disease going on. So we'll see how those do. I got my Kajari melon in there. I'm getting ready to move that over to the trellis. Oh, super exciting. My okra. I got red and then like a green spineless. And then there's a little corn plant, of course, popping up there because it doesn't want to grow where I want it to, but it will where I don't want it to. So anyways, bed 2, doing good. I've got some purple pole beans. The squirrels ate out my new seeds of bok choy. I've got one little Egyptian spinach coming up and none of the Jericho romaine. I do have some in the hydroponic. I got some major cabbage worms off of these, so I really got to keep on these. After the rain, they went to town. It looks like there might still be one. Don't see anything. My Swiss chard is out of control, and same with the white fly. Look at that. Getting a white fly. Parsley in here. I just love the way this looks. It's got the bok choy bolting. I've got the Sylvia here next to the parsley. I just love all the different textures and colors. This is a peppermint, Swiss chard. Coleus there. I mean, look at the textures. I just wish I could get the back to fill in, but completely fighting with the squirrels. Some more salvia. Look how pretty that is. I'm so excited when my bees finally come out. They'll have all these pretty flowers to pollinate. My strawberries are doing great. I'm getting a bit of runners. I've been pulling some and leaving some, but I did try this Eversweet. Oh my goodness, fantastic. I also really love the texture of this bed too. Like, look how pretty that looks, minus the garden tubing and squirrel proofing. But like the mint coming out and the marigolds and the dill, just like, oh, I love it. Onions behind it, all the different textures are just so pretty. Look at that. Behind here, I do have some New Zealand spinach popping up. These are carrots that I reseeded and they dug up. I've also got, oh, look at that. They didn't get it. I've got a silver slicer cucumber. They ate my lemon cucumber just like they did my watermelon. Ugh, that one's a lemon cucumber. More longevity spinach, and then I've got some Malabar starting here to be able to get up the spine. My Jacotacaba tree, which I love. Can't wait for that to do something. My longevity rosemary. This tubing that you're seeing is my garden tubing. It's a 1/2-inch tubing that I'm going to be trenching in this weekend. I just haven't gotten to it yet. Over to, oh, the girls are all behind there. You can't see them. They don't want to come out on video, I guess. These are more bush beans, just regular green. Oh, here's one. Look at that. Isn't that so fun? I mean, that's completely what they're supposed to do. They're supposed to grow food, but when I see it, I get so excited. More blueberries. These have been turning little by little every day, hence the cover. New Zealand spinach, marigolds, some zinnias. More blueberries. They've been turning blue a little bit every day. My peach tree, first year, got 1 peach on it. Not too bad. I'm pretty happy with that. I wasn't expecting any. So the fact that I have 1, I'm happy. My little fire I'm having, enjoying the beautiful weather. My pepper bed, the banana pepper is thriving. I've got plenty of banana peppers. I've got a Cubanelle here, which has some blooms. I'm actually pollinated them today. Hand pollinated with a Q-tip. Same with these poblanos. The Tabasco, look at this, has totally taken off. Some Tabasco peppers. More marigolds. My echinacea has not done anything. I don't know if it doesn't do well in our grow zone, but it has not done nothing. Oh, look at that! I have a pepper on my cayenne. Oh my gosh. This thing, guys, has struggled so bad. I cut it completely back. Same with the habanero. Oh my gosh, I got a pepper. Super excited. Thai basil. I put some onions in here as well. I like all the different textures and heights, and I like all that. I've got some seedlings down here. Cucamelon's doing pretty cool. Doing good. Some Dr. Witchies. Those are sprouting up. My Napa Chardonnays haven't sprouted. My Sunrise Bumblebees haven't sprouted. One of my Indigo Apple has sprouted, and one of my Indigo Rose tomato. My Sugar Rush Peach Pepper came up, and a little bit on the Dinosaur Kale. The Roselle has not done anything. Oh, and the Leaf Lettuce Basil has done really well. Oh, and those are peppers, just green peppers. Don't mind all my junk back here. This little banana pepper keeps struggling. I'm not 100% sure why. It is on the drip. These onions, they're all so pretty, and these marigolds have just gone to town. This is a grapefruit tree, my husband's tree, and then my mandarin right here. And then look at these beautiful zinnias. They're so pretty. Put some basil in here, and onions as well. Check out the tomatoes. The marigolds are really struggling. The oregano's doing fantastic. The peppers are starting to get blooms on them. Oh, there's one. That's a little, I think this one is a poblano banana pepper. How are they all doing? They look like they're doing pretty good. These all got hit with the frost on Christmas, and they're just not, they just didn't take back well. More tomato plants. Look how many tomatoes I have. I have them everywhere. It's tons. I'm dealing with a lot of powdery mildew as well, and you can see a little leaf curl. We got a ton of rain and then it got hot today, so I think the plants are just getting mega stressed. I pulled a lot of the powdery mildew off, but you can still see some's left, so I can't pull all the leaves off the plants. So this one is a black celerum cherry tomato. This one is my Marconi pepper. The Floridade tomato is here. Not this. This is cherry tomatoes from another plant. This one is the blueberry. And then I have a goldenberry, which has the powdery mildew on it. It's doing pretty good though. I'll take that off soon. I've got a Floridade right here. That one back there is a chocolate striped tomato. Then a little bit more Swiss chard left over from the winter. I've got parsley in here. I started my eggplants. I've got a piccolo eggplant and just a regular long purple one. A bunch of longevity, some mustard greens. And then I just got this one, the Okinawa spinach. So anxious to get that one going. And the hydroponic, we have little volunteers of the mustard greens, and the hydroponic's doing good, except for the white flies. I've got a bunch of mustard, kale, red Russian. These are yellow cherry tomatoes, which are my favorite besides the Everglades. Some borage. I did some sage. These are new starts of red Russian kale, or these are regular kale. And I am battling white flies already, but that's Florida. So some peppermint Swiss chard and some regular, the big one. What's the big one? I can't think of it right this minute. Oh, my Jericho romaine lettuce is doing pretty good. I think it's gonna need a little bit more sun, but for the most part, I'm just kind of letting it get going. I've got some more piccolo eggplant and some long eggplant. And then pretty much all this is just empty, and this is kind of junk I'm gonna pull. I've got a bunch more wool cubes coming, and I'm gonna plant some more lettuces and just different stuff to kind of keep everything going. So overall, not terrible. We got, I don't know if you can see the rain gauge right here. Whoop. 4 inches of rain, which, you know, is a lot for us. And it's a lot to just get in a couple days. Everything just got saturated, and now it's hot and drying out, so nothing really knows what to do, how to catch up. But that's Florida weather, Florida gardening, so gotta love it. But anyways, thanks for coming along. That's kind of what's going on right now, and yeah, I'm excited to see the next couple weeks, see how things thrive and flourish. And I'm really excited about the okra and the beans. So I'm very excited about those as well. So I hope you all are doing great, and we'll talk to you soon and see you in the next one. Thanks for coming along.